Mom and Dad, I know there was a little bit of hits going on. Listen up. Carefully, ladies and gentlemen, as the Merlin, the P-51, brings it home. Now, the great situation, this is an inquiry. This aircraft was the result. 100-day wonder, basically 102. North American brought it around. More than 15,000 were built its first flight on October 26th of 1940. Do its job, you'll also hear a whistle. And that whistle's said to be because of the gun ports on the aircraft. When the air flows over at just the right speed, that's the whistle you get. But then during the war, the enemy heard that, knew bad things were coming. They called it whistling death. Now, Scooter himself is a 2008 graduate of Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Daytona Beach, with a major in aviation and science, while attending school at PRAU. He obtained his commercial signal and multi-engine landing. In between all the schools flying, he built Howard's banner towing and instructed in the Navy's T-6. Did all of this and then checked out in the P-51 before age 20. After graduation, Scooter moved back to West Virginia, obtained his inspection authorization. That's the next step past A&P, Aircraft and Power Plant certification, and picked up the family restoration and fabrication business. He currently holds a surface level aerobatic waiver in the P-51. Scooter performs about 20 to 25 shows a year with Quicksilver. His current total time is in excess of 6,500 hours, and over 3,000 of that in P-51s. A little more about the P-51. Max speed is right around 440 miles an hour, cruising right around 360 miles an hour, with a stall speed at right around 100 miles an hour. From the left, Quicksilver. Many of you might be interested in how the aircraft is actually armed. It had 650 caliber gun on board. It also had anywhere from 6 to 10 5-inch rockets. Served the United States Air Force, the Royal Air Force, the Royal Canadian Air Force, and even the Dominican Air Force. This roll is good for Bobby. The Banana Pass with Quicksilver and Scooter Scott Yoak. All right. If you want to get in on a few free t-shirts from the gang here at the Raptor team, this is the time. All right, who's shooting? Eric, you going to shoot? He shoots. All right. So hang tight. We're going to shoot him right in this general area if we get lucky.